go! As all 4 alliances are going to try and shoot. These teams are trying to stay on their line. Some of these teams have what's called a spin vector, as they're going to try and rotate it around to shoot. As it looks like 2 of those robots are trying to shoot from that mid-triangle.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
As we go to teleop, it looks like all 4 robots are going to try and move and shoot here. As 209087 is going to go again to shoot, and they're going to try to take those directly from the ground on those spike wires. As it also looks like 12745 is also going to try and ground intake and shoot. But 25788 has a response. They're going to also shoot into that blue goal. And it looks like 8588 is going to try and shoot from that far triangle. And those are some high arcing shots. Their goal is to keep it into these fields. Not quite overshoot, not quite undershoot, but keep it right inside that goal. That's it. 25788 is going to attempt to shoot from that top part of the triangle, as 12745 is going to try and shoot also. They're going to stand into position here. As 20097 is also going to try and shoot to that red goal. Noise for these really good robots. These are doing a great job of trying to shoot all of these artifacts. As we are fast approaching the end game, they're trying to build these classifiers and shoot as many as they can. As we're fast approaching the end game, it looks like all 4 robots are trying to shoot just 1 more cycle at least. As we approach end game, these teams are going to start as they just got 10 seconds, they're going to try to make him get it all within that small zone. 2, 1, go! Robots have moved 32-4-94. Screw-ups on the Red Alliance, the first to score, as now the Blue Alliance launches back. Everybody moving off of the launch line, earning a couple of points for being off of that tape line at the end of the first 30 seconds.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And here we go. Bots are on the move, drivers take control. 42-37, Cyberhawks. Their first launch a bit over the top, they're going to do some adjustment there. Red Alliance is getting reloaded. 32-494 screw-ups on the Red Alliance, now receiving some artifacts from the human player. You can see in this match already how critical the human player on the front side of the field is going to be. Both Red Alliance robots are dependent on their human player placing them into the robot. So the Red Alliance has to be getting some artifacts over there to them. Or artifacts go in, and as a sort of nature of the way the field is built, the artifacts that the Red Alliance scores will sort of go into the blue area. The ones that blue scores will go into red. So the Red Alliance could end up kind of running out of artifacts here. It sort of depends on the scoring of blue and how many artifacts they can corral over to the red loading zone. Artifacts being loaded in for the Blue Alliance, that's 12745 Long John launchers, now receiving some artifacts from their alliance. And Topbot is ready to launch, up and just a little bit short. They're going to go collect some more artifacts over from the red side of the field. Cyberhawks is getting ready. to launch. Artifact flies out of the backside of the field, bounces back in. An artifact is scored for red, and Blue Lions launches a few more. 15 seconds left, it is dead even, 30-30 with 10 seconds left. Every point matters here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, everybody.
One, go! Machine movement from 3 robots here, 18482. Looks like they're preparing to launch. Units 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, also launching artifacts. One eight four eight two and 12745 will later make a lead. Same with 6458.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
18482 mechanical suit. Lining up for your shot is mechanical teleop.
Thank you.
12725 is sitting on the protection and your player. 6458 lining up for another shot. Contact with the red alliance and the blue alliance is 12745. That's the head to the shooting spot. 18482 lining up for another shot. 6458 maybe one artifact with the man.
That's my signal, right? That's that signal.
8813 going to take some more artifacts. 18482 thinking sabotage 12745 shooting attack. Same with 6458. 8813 the Winter Soldiers looking to take some more artifacts. 18482 mechanical suit also taking some artifacts with the green player. 6458 first box, lining up for a shot, same with 12745, on John launchers. 6458. The Blue Alliance is showing some more artifacts for the green player. There's 10 seconds on the clock. The Lions are now heading to the board. 3, 2, 1. That concludes the match.
And with all 4 robots moving, we may just have a tie bunch.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. We have some movement from every robot this time. Great launch from 12745 Long John launchers. Some more great launches from 8672 Feedback.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
8672, Red lining up for another shot. 150-50, Lightning Bots also lining up for a shot. A successful launch by the Red Alliance. 12745, Long John launchers. Some artifacts for the new player. 8696 heading into the far launch zone. Coming out into the close launch zone, lining up for a shot. 12745 also trying to line up for a shot. $86.72 clearing the gate for the Red Alliance. 12745 long-term launchers lining up for another shot. 86.72 you bet, and taking some more artifacts. A little less than 1 minute left on the clock. Some more intake from 8672. 8672 lining up for another shot. 12745 lining up for another shot. Very close game. About 30 seconds left. We're about to head into end game. Great defense from every team. We're now headed into endgame where the Alliances may choose to continue shooting or attempt to park. It appears 12745 Long John launches attempting to park, same with 8672 to do that. And that concludes the game.